guys, today we are going to evaluate a finite series of radicals. The series is this: 1 divided by square root of 3 plus 1 plus 1 divided by square root of 5 plus square root of 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 7 plus square root of 5. It goes all the way up to the last term being 1 divided by square root of 49 plus square root of 47. We are finding the value of this series. So to begin with, let's take the first term and simplify separately. The first term of the series is 1 over square root of 3 plus 1. You have a radical in the denominator. So whenever dealing with radicals for simplification, if you have radicals in the denominator, you convert that radicals into integers. For that, you multiply the denominator radical by its conjugate. So what do you mean by conjugate? See, if you have a radical like this, square root of a plus square root of b, the conjugate would be square root of a minus square root of b. Or given this radical, this would be the conjugate. Rather, they are conjugates of each other. If you multiply this radical by this radical, you will get that radical converted into an integer. I'll show you that here in our case. In the denominator, you see square root of 3 plus 1. The conjugate of this will be square root of root 3 minus 1. So you write this one, square root of 3 minus 1. Cancelling, you get back to this. So there's no change in the value. Now look at this. What is a plus b multiplied by a minus b? That's equal to a square minus b square. So here, what do you have? Let me write the numerator first. Root 3 minus 1. Denominator will be square root of 3 the whole square. That is a. Then minus 1 square. Now square root of 3 minus 1. Square root and squaring are inverse operations. So they will cancel out each other and you will get just 3. 1 square is just 1. So this is what you have. Square root of 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is what I said. You had a root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. This is a radical. Now by multiplying with the conjugate of this number, both the numerator and denominator, without changing the number, you got that converted into this, where you see 2 being the denominator. So let me rewrite again. The first term is 1 by square root of root 3 plus 1 equal to square root of 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Now look at the second term. The second term is 1 divided by square root of 5 plus square root of 3. You may please refer back to the question. Again, like we did before, the conjugate of this number will be square root of 5 minus square root of 3. You will multiply root 5 plus root 3 by its conjugate, which is square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Then you will be multiplying 1 also by the same number. Otherwise, value will change. Now, numerator square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Denominator is again in the form a plus b into a minus b. And you will have root 5 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square. And this will be square root of 5 minus square root of 3. In the denominator, root 5 squared is 5. Root 3 squared is 3. So what do you have finally? Square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So this is the second term. Now what will be the third term? Without simplifying, by looking at the first two terms, you can easily say what you are going to get when you simplify the third term. Let me rewrite the third term. That's given to be square root of 7 plus square root of 5. By looking at the other two, you can say when you multiply this by its conjugate, the numerator will be this and the denominator will be just 2. And this will go on. See, we know the last term here. Can you see this? So can you give me the last but one term? I'm writing here the last but one term. The last term, as you know, is 1 by square root of 49 plus square root of 47. So the number coming before that will be this. Okay. This also on simplification will reduce to square root of 47 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. And the last term will be, which was 1 by square root of 49 plus square root of 47. This will be on simplification. Numerator will be 49 minus 47 divided by 2. So every term on simplification, by multiplying with their respective conjugates, denominator is the same, 2. Please refer back to the series given to you for simplification. Now let me write the first term, 1 by root 3 plus root 1. Actually it was 1. I'm just putting it in the root sign. This on simplification, you had root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. And the second term, 1 by square root of 5 plus square root of 3 equal to square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Third term, 1 by square root of 7 plus square root of 5 equal to square root of 7 square root of 5 divided by 2. There are a few more terms. Let me put some dots. And the last but one term was 1 by square root of 47 plus square root of 45. This is equal to square root of 47 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. And the last term, 1 by square root of 49 plus square root of 47 equal to square root of 49 minus square root of 47 divided by 2. These are the terms given in the series. The right side is the simplified format. Let's add up all these equalities. On the left you will be getting, this is actually the series given to you for addition, and the respective right sides I am writing. Every term has 2 in the denominator. So let me take it out, 1 by 2, and write the numerators only, which is root 3 minus 1 plus root 5 minus root 3 plus root 7 minus root 5 plus, and the last one, root 47 minus root 45 plus the last term will be square root of 49 minus 47. Close the bracket. Equal to 1 by 2. Now look at these terms. This root 3 will cancel out with this root 3. Root 5 getting cancelled with this root 5. Root 7 will get cancelled with the next term. They are not mentioned here. And this root 45 will cancel with the previous one. This root 47 will cancel with this root 47. So every term has been cancelled with one another except minus 1 and this term, root 49. That will remain there, which is minus 1 plus square root of 49. This is what you are going to get at the end after the cancellation, which you can further simplify like this. Minus 1 plus square root of 49 is 7. And that's equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 7 is 6. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 6, which is 3. So 3 is the final answer. Rather, 3 is the sum of the finite series of radicals we had for simplification. Now, if there is any point you are not clear about, please leave your remarks in the comments below. And if you have clearly understood the solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also share this video with others who might benefit from this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.